Hello. Hello, Alex. Look how big he is. I could practically sit on him. He probably looks really small, but he's not. He's actually quite big. He's an ovcharka from Russia. Massive. Hello, Max. Wait. Them two. They're brothers. That's their bed. It's really big. I once. You two better stop fighting. Wait! It's a phone. That's an eating thing. He's probably going to try and eat this. Or you. And they're pups. At 4 months old, they're massive. Wait to see when they grow up. Wait. No. I see you trying to bite it. Come on, follow the camera. Follow the camera. What's this? Back. There we are. Look, she's in the doorway. You can't actually see her. I'm going to kill you. If you fight, I'm going to kill you. This is tan, and this is pale. That's how you tell the difference between Alex, who's tan, and it's pale, that's Max. I love how they're just staring at the camera. You want a toy? What's this? What's this, Alex? No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure.
Okay.
They're just relaxing because they were playing it out. They're pinned to those poles there. And, well, these are two of the dogs. Look, she has 5 in the family. Becky, she's a bitch, a female dog. That's what you call them. And then we all have boys. Boy. Every dog we have is a boy. We're gonna get a girl. Another one. Ooh, I'm balancing. Ooh, I'm floating. Whee! Oh, come, I'm just going to show you to their lovely little house. Just going to sit down in this bed that I've sat down before, and he's going to come over. Hello, Max. Hello, Maxie. Hey. Oh, not you. No. I'm getting hot. He tries to jump on my back. I'm just going to give you a piggy bank. You stay. I'm sitting down. That's right, get him. Actually quite big now that you can actually see. Oi! No. Wow, you're heavy. Wait. You want me to punch? Don't fight. No. Lay down. There. Hello. They fight a lot. Wait. Sorry, I had to go. I had to stop them fighting. You get in the den. You just stay there. Kick your fish. Hello. Was I sitting in your bed before? What are you doing? See, he tries to jump on me and push me. Oh, maybe sitting on this wasn't a good idea. Just because you can push this doesn't mean you should too. You're a puppy, a little puppy. And now he's attacking that. Like a lion. Oh, that's much better. And now it's not. It's making that noise. It's winning a hot air balloon. Oh, yeah, Did you just make that noise? Are you thirsty? Your eyes are a bit red. Okay, we've seen Alex. And now we're going to Max-a-Lot. Max-a-Lot? You're thirsty. And now he comes. Hello. Leave your brother. Leave your brother alone. I'm just going to go sit down. I'm watching you with the camera. With the camera. Oh, slowly. You can probably see him in a different place. Well, that's that. And now I'm going to go watch some TV while they rest. One final goodbye. Goodbye, Max. Pale. And goodbye, Alex Tan. That's their next. Oh, and this is their lead. Starting to rain now. And I have got to go. Bye-bye.